In this video, we will download and install DaVinci Resolve on Mac. Similar steps with MacBook and iMac too. Hi, we will download and set up DaVinci Resolve step by step. Let's begin. Open your browser and write DaVinci Resolve in the search bar. And click Enter. Click DaVinci Resolve at the first link, and make sure to click on the official website of DaVinci Resolve, is blackmagicdesign.com. Scroll down a little. Here you will find a purchase or download icon. Click on Free Download Now. Here are two options. Free version for Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. And paid version, DaVinci Resolve Studio 2. I will click Mac OS in a free version to download. This page will display information that includes the required information must be filled before downloading. You can skip this on Linux. Write the first name, last name, email, phone number, choose the country, write street, city, select your state, and click on Register and Download. If your download does not start downloading, you can click this as well. This will be shown if your browser does not start direct download. Just click Allow. You will see it downloading in your browser downloads. After completing the download, go to your Downloads folder. You will find DaVinci Resolve. That file ends with .dmg format. Select and right-click and open. This window will appear. Double-click the Install Resolve icon. Click Continue. Scroll down a little if you want to see system requirements if that match with your Mac system requirements. Or just click Continue. English is default language. Continue. Agree on software terms. Click on Install. Enter your password if you have. And click on Install Software. Waiting to finish installation. Waiting for the end of the program installation. Plus. Click Key. And close this window. Go to Launchpad or Applications. Find it on any page if you have multiple pages, and click on DaVinci Resolve this. Waiting for the application until it opens. The first time you open, it will take a little longer than if it was opened before. Congratulations! You successfully downloaded, installed, and opened the app on your Mac. Party popper, now you're all set to explore its features and make the most of it. And don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Don't miss out. Hit that follow or subscribe button and make sure to ring the notification bell so you're always in the loop for latest videos. Happy using!